Welcome back. So now we're looking at section 4.4 where you're solving a 3 by 3 system. Now the disclaimer here is that we're only going to solve 3 by 3 systems that are in what we'll refer to here as triangle form. Now when the system's not in triangle form, these can be quite complex. When the system is in triangle form, we can do this in a straightforward fashion. Substitute into the equation with 2 variables, substitute both into the equation with 3 variables. Now, the reason I'm referring to this as a system of linear equations in triangle form is because the top equation has 3 variables, second equation has 2 variables, third equation only has 1 variable. Now, they could be written in a different order, but these are in a nice triangle form. Now, the beauty of a system that's in triangle form is that we have an equation with 1 variable, so we can very easily figure out what y is. Now, in this case, we didn't have to do any solving. In another case, you might have to multiply, divide, add, or subtract to get y, but we know that y is -2. So we are going to substitute into the equation with 2 variables. So 5x minus 3y is -9. We are going to make a substitution for y right there. So 5x minus 3 times our new value for y is -9. And we are going to replace y with -2. Now, when you multiply 2 negatives, you get +6. To finish solving for x, I'm going to subtract 6 and divide by 5. So 5x the signs are the same, so I'm going to add and keep it negative. The inverse of multiplication is division, and we get x is -3. Now, are we done? No, because we know what y is, we know what x is, we have to go back and find z. Now, the top equation has 3 variables, so I'm going to write the top equation. X plus y plus z is -4. And we're going to make our substitutions in for x and for y. So -3 plus -2 plus z is -4. -3 and -2, the signs are the same, so you add and get -5. The inverse of a -5 is a +5. And you'll have z is 1. Now, you need to write the solution in this case as an ordered triple. So x is -3, y is -2, and z is +1. And that is the ordered triple where these would intersect. Not so bad.